Welcome to Healthism. If you were to consume celery juice consistently for a week, there are several powerful compounds within celery juice that could potentially contribute to health benefits. While many people often focus on aspects of celery juice that may not be as impactful, such as its high water content or moderate levels of nutrients like folate, B9, and sodium, there are indeed certain phytonutrients found in celery juice that have garnered attention for their potential health-promoting properties. One of these key compounds is 3-butylphthalate 3-NB, which has been studied for its various effects on health. Research suggests that 3-NB may play a role in repairing damage after a stroke, reconstructing microcirculation, and exhibiting neuroregenerative properties. Additionally, it has been shown to possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-apoptotic properties. Apoptosis refers to the process by which damaged cells self-destruct, and 3-NB may help to inhibit this process. Furthermore, 3-NB has been associated with antithrombotic effects, potentially aiding in the prevention of blood clotting. Another important compound found in celery juice is apigenin AP, a polyphenol present in various plants such as parsley, onions, oranges, thyme, basil, and of course celery. Apigenin acts as a defense mechanism for plants against UV radiation and insects. However, when consumed by humans in small amounts, it can exert beneficial effects. Apigenin has been studied for its muscle-relaxing properties, which may contribute to feelings of calmness and relaxation after consuming celery juice. Additionally, it has been shown to have antihypertensive and anti-diabetic properties, as well as potential benefits for cognitive function. Cumic acid is another phytonutrient found in celery juice that possesses several health-promoting properties. Research suggests that cumic acid exhibits anti-inflammatory, anti-ulcer, anticoagulant, and blood sugar regulating effects. It may also help alleviate symptoms of arthritis by reducing inflammation. Lastly, celery juice contains camphor, a compound known for its antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Camphor has been used traditionally for various medicinal purposes and may contribute to the overall health benefits of celery juice. While some proponents claim that celery juice is the most powerful medicine of our time, it's essential to approach such statements with a critical mindset and consider the available scientific evidence. However, it's undeniable that celery juice contains compounds with potential health benefits, and incorporating it into your diet may be worth exploring. If you're interested in trying celery juice, here's a simple way to incorporate it into your routine. Purchase organic celery, wash it thoroughly, and juice 16 ounces of celery. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning for optimal absorption. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for added flavor and potential benefits. While the main focus should be on the 4 key compounds discussed, celery juice may contain other beneficial compounds as well. Ultimately, whether celery juice becomes a staple in your wellness routine is a personal decision. If you're curious about its potential benefits, giving it a try for a week or longer may provide insights into how it affects your overall health and well-being. If you have any questions or want to share your own nutrition tips, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from our incredible Healthism community. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And of course, subscribe to Healthism if you haven't already for more great content.